Hello team, welcome back, and today we will discuss the goal of this course. First, we will understand why Git. What is the use of Git and why we need to use the Git? What are the benefit of the Git on the other version control system? And we will try to understand what are these requirements which raise the scope of Git in market. We will understand the complete concept of the Git, the working of the Git. We will discuss and we will learn about the features of the Git. We will discuss the application of each feature which is the part of the Git, and the application of that feature we will see the hands-on lab on that feature. We will try to understand how that feature can help us to maintain the version of our source code and how that is different from the other tools which is similar to the Git. You can use the Git in two flavors. Either you can go with the UI flavor or you can go with the command line flavor. In this course, we will work with the command line flavor. Why we need to go with the command line? Because Git is not specific to the Windows. Git is open source tool which you can install on the Windows, on Mac operating system, Unix and Linux operating system. If we are going with some UI stuff, then it will only helpful in the Windows. But what if you are a Mac user or if you are a Linux user? So we will use the git bash or git CLI to work in this course, and to work with the CLI or the bash we need to use few commands. So we will see what are these git commands and how we can use these commands to make our work more easy and to achieve our goal. Sometimes few git commands look very similar. The function of these commands look very similar, but these commands behave differently in different scenarios. So we will try to compare these similar commands and we will understand the working model of these commands so that you can decide that which command you should use whenever you have a specific use case. We will also discuss about the role of Git in the DevOps. In these days, Git is a very essential part of the DevOps. If you are a DevOps engineer or you are a software engineer, then definitely somewhere in your project you are using Git. And if you are using it, then you are must aware that how important the Git is for the DevOps or for the software engineering. Then we will discuss about the GitHub. We will see how we can integrate the Git with GitHub and what is the importance of the GitHub. So in short, I can explain that Git is a client tool which will install on your box. But GitHub is a server, right, which will work on the remote location so that you can sync your code from your local machine to the remote server. And in the last of this course, we will post some bonus materials. In these bonus materials, we will provide the discount link of our other courses, and also with the discount coupons we will share that how big companies like Microsoft and Google are using the Git, what are those strategy which these companies are following with the Git. So thank you team, see you in the coming lecture.